Welcome to Bonalota Resort, which is at Atrabari in Maimansingh. As you can see, there are so many visitors. They are enjoying their time with family, friends, and colleagues. Ladies and gentlemen, those who are watching my video, please come to the Bonalota and enjoy your time.